What is mining? Today's video is all about mining and Bitcoin mining especially. So without further ado, let's begin with the video. Bitcoin mining is the process of developing new Bitcoins and distributing them to the public. It is also how the system confirms transactions made and is a crucial component of the upkeep and advancement of the blockchain ledger. Mining is accomplished by using advanced hardware that solves a complicated math problems. Then, the next block of Bitcoins is distributed to the first computer that solves the problem, and the process is restarted. Mining cryptocurrency is time-consuming, costly, and only occasionally profitable. Nonetheless, many cryptocurrency investors are drawn to mining because miners are compensated with crypto tokens for their efforts. This could be because, like gold prospectors in California in 1849, entrepreneurs see mining as a source of pennies from heaven. And if you're technologically savvy, why not? The Bitcoin reward given to miners is an incentive for people to help with the primary goal of mining, legitimizing and monitoring Bitcoin transactions to ensure their validity. Furthermore, Bitcoin is a decentralized cryptocurrency. It does not rely on any central authority, such as a central bank or government, to oversee its regulations because many users worldwide share these responsibilities. Why Bitcoin needs miners? In the blockchain, the term mining refers to the computational efforts that nodes in the network performance in the hope of gaining new tokens. In reality, miners are paid for their work as auditing. They are in charge of deciding whether Bitcoin transactions are legitimate. Satoshi Nakamoto, the creator of Bitcoin, defies this convention to keep Bitcoin users honest. Miners also keep to prevent the double spending problem by verifying transactions. When a cryptocurrency owner needs to spend the same Bitcoin twice, this is known as double spending. When you hand somebody a $20 bill to buy a bottle of vodka, you no longer have it, and there is no risk of using this $20 bill to buy lottery tickets next door. Though counterfeit money exists, it is not the same as spending the same dollar twice. According to the Investopedia dictionary, there is a risk that the bearer could make a replica of the electronic token and send it to a vendor or another party while keeping the original with digital currency. Presume you have one real $20 bill and one fake $20 bill. If you started to spend both the real and fake bills, somebody would realize that the number plates on both bills were the same, indicating that one had to be a forgery. So a blockchain miner performs a similar function, checking transactions to ensure that the users haven't tried to spend the same Bitcoin twice. Why mine Bitcoin? Aside from lining miners' wallets and continuing to support the Bitcoin ecosystem, extractions represents an essential function. It is the only way to release new crypto into circulation. In other words, miners are essentially minting currency. In February 2022, for example, there were just under 19 million Bitcoins in circulations out of 21 million. Aside from the coin generated by the blockchain network, miners form every cryptocurrency. Bitcoin as a system would continue to survive and be usable without miners, but no new Bitcoin would be created. However, because the percentage at which Bitcoin is extracted decreases over time, the last Bitcoin will not be available for circulations until around 2140s. This isn't to say that transactions won't be verified in the future. On the other hand, miners will continue to verify transactions and be compensated for their efforts to keep the network's integrity. So, that's all. Stay tuned and subscribe for more.